好，咁啊 B2 嘅同學仔，咁咧首先咧41條啦，咁就 What are Chinese moms superior at 啦？咁咧我哋就可以望翻呢一度啦。咁咧佢呢度咧就講咗 Why Chinese mothers are superior 嘅，咁就冇講到 superior at 啲乜嘢啦。咁但係喺後面咧你會望到 parenting 嘅，咁所以咧41條你就要抄翻 parenting 落去咧就已經 OK 噶啦。咁跟住之後咧，第42條 intense discussion 係 about 啲乜嘢咧？咁你就睇翻呢一度啦。咁咧，你會望到呢一度有個破字號嘅，呢個兩個破字號嘅。咁所以咧，我哋咧就揾翻前面啦。OK，咁咧引起 intense discussion 嗰句嘢咧就叫做 Why Chinese mothers are superior 啦。咁咧，所以啦個 discussion 咧，我哋要將佢個 Y 字變咗啲乜嘢啊？Whether 啦，係啦，whether 啦，OK，咁所以呢一隻字好緊要啦。咁跟住之後啦，呢本書咧到底係咩嘅 category 咧？咁你應該會留意到 autobiography 咧就係自傳啦，即係自己寫自己嘢啦。parenting manual 即係教人哋點樣教仔啦。non-fiction 就即係一啲真實嘅故事啦。咁咧。thriller 咧就係刺激片嗰啲啦，OK，即係講緊嗰啲特工片啊，乜乜咁樣嗰啲啦，咁所以咧呢個一定唔係 thriller 啦，OK。咁跟住就啦 ，what metaphor 係describe the controversy 咧 ？controversy 咧即係解爭議嘅意思啦，啲爭議。好咁啊，跟住之後咧，咁就喺第一段咧應該咧會抄到 firestorm 呢隻字嘅。OK，或者你抄多少少 nothing less than firestorm 都 OK，咁但係最簡單咧就係抄翻 firestorm 啦。OK，咁跟住之後咧就parenting style 啦 ，Chua 嘅 parenting style，咁咧就呢邊咧應該都頗明顯㗎啦，咁啊因為前面都講過咧，阿 Chua 嘅 parenting 咧係好極端㗎啦，咁所以應該揀翻咧 extreme 嘅。咁啊有啲同學仔可能會話啦，呢度有寫 cautionary tale 喎，咁係咪即係代表 cautious 咧？咁唔係嘅，cautionary tale 咧即係代表係一個警戒性嘅一啲嘢啦，警戒性。咁但係咧，即係佢文章就叫大家咧即係阿 Chua 嘅教仔方法咧，咁就睇下就算啦。我記得啖笑啦，咁就係當佢係一個警戒性嘅嘢啦。咁但係 cautious 咧係講緊，如果 parenting style 係 cautious，即係代表咧。好小心翼翼咁嘅意思，咁所以兩樣嘢係唔同嘅。咁啊 lenient 即係代表寬容嘅意思啦，咁就係呢一個嘅 strict 嘅相反啦。OK，咁所以答案就係 A 啦。咁跟住之後咧，就第11至12行咧 Chua insists that Western children are no happier than Chinese ones。點解啲人會 assume 啲西方嘅小朋友開心啲咧？咁其實你就可以咧喺前面嗰度咧去總結到啦。咁啊，前面第二段就講到咧。Chua 啲小朋友咧係 daily hours of mandatory 即係代表咧係強制性啦，即係每日一定要練幾個鐘頭嘅樂器啦。跟住之後咧，更何況係探啲老人家嘅時候都要啦。OK，咁所以咧呢度咧我哋可以歸納到就係話啲Western 嘅 children 咧係有多啲嘅自由啦。OK，或者係西方嘅家長咧係唔嚴格啦，或者更加寬容嘅，OK。所以你可以寫 Western moms are less strict，或者 more lenient，或者 Western children have more freedom，呢個就自己歸納到出嚟嘅。咁你之後最尾一個問你點解 cautionary tale 啦，咁你喺文章入邊應該揀到咧 What price should be paid for achievements？OK，咁其實咧，我覺得照抄個 price 都 OK，咁但係 marking scheme 咧，咁就轉咗做 cost 嘅。咁其實都一樣係解呢個代價嘅意思啦，即係代表咧，如果咁極端嘅教仔方法嘅話咧，係一定會有啲代價，即係一定有啲 negative effects 嘅。OK，又或者你可以寫個答案就係話咧，如果要咁樣教好個仔，一定會有啲負面影響啦。咁英文就係 In order to achieve success, there are negative effects on children 啦。OK，咁就係想達至成功就一定會有啲嘅唔好嘅地方啦，咁樣。咁所以呢個咧就係 text 3啦，咁然之後咧就會落到 text 4，咁就 text 4，咁首先咧就會The Wild Kingdom 啦 ，refer to 乜嘢啦？咁喺下面咧就已經寫咗啦，呢度 the wild kingdom of tiger mums。咁啊，tiger mum 虎媽啦。咁到底邊度係虎媽嘅巢穴咧？咁就係 China 啦。OK，咁 Beijing 只係其中一個城市嚟嘅啫。OK，咁點解咧呢啲回應咧係會 surprise 到你咧？咁當然啦，你自己諗就係話，當你以為咧喺中國入邊大把虎媽嘅時候咧，原來咧冇咁多虎媽嘅，或者係咧啲阿媽根本都唔 buy 阿 Chua 嘅教小朋友嘅方法嘅。OK，咁所以咧你就可以寫到 Not all Chinese mothers are tiger mums 啦，或者 Chinese mothers are against Amy Chua's ideas 啦。OK，咁跟住之後啦，第50條點解郭晶咧係叫 real Chinese mom 咧 ？OK， 有分真定假嘅中國嘅媽媽嘅咩 ？OK， 咁我哋就可以望到咧呢一度啦。阿 Amy Chua 咧係 lives in the US not in China 嘅，咁即係話呢個咧自稱係中國虎媽嘅話咧，原來咧都唔喺中國居住嘅，佢係喺美國居住嘅。OK，咁所以咧就應該可以咧去揀到咧C 呢個答案啦。Chinese national 咧咁即係咧本地嘅中國人啦，咁就喺中國居住咁嘅啫。OK，咁跟住就咧喺第2至第3段入邊咧，咁就要揀翻一個 true false not given 啦。咁先啦 Chua was born in the Philippines。咁呢個到底啱唔啱咧？咁我哋可以睇一睇。咁就佢話咧，阿 Chua 咧係一個 Filipino Chinese descendant。咁即係話佢阿爸阿媽咧係一邊嚟自菲律賓，一邊嚟自中國嘅。咁但係即使咁樣都好啦，咁亦都冇證據咧去指明咧佢一定喺菲律賓出世嘅。OK， 咁所以答案就係 not given 啦。跟住之後啦。阿 Chua forces her children to do certain activities， 呢個係啱嘅啦。咁就係因為呢一度啦。I won't make decisions for them， 呢個咧係阿郭去講嘅。跟住就同埋後面都講啦，就係 not because she forces them into it。呢度全部都係講阿郭咧唔會逼佢嘅小朋友去做啲乜做啲乜。咁即係咧相反咧就係對比翻阿 Amy Chua 咧係會逼佢小朋友去做某啲嘢啦。OK。跟住就第3個啦，郭 is unhappy her sons are learning painting and Wei Qi。咁咧第3段亦都有講到啦，就係阿郭咧就覺得佢嘅小朋友係中意佢哋嘅 extracurricular hobbies 嘅，咁所以咧佢哋咧阿郭一定咧就唔會因為佢哋學呢樣嘢咁就唔開心啦。咁因為阿郭唔會逼佢哋噶嘛，所以佢覺得咧佢哋學啲咩都係好嘅咁樣，所以就一定係 happy 啦。咁所以個填咗 false 啦。咁跟住之後啦，第52條啦。咁就用翻一隻字去填啦，咁呢個咧就唔使照抄嘅 ，OK？ 咁咧就填窿窿嘅啫，咁就咁有啲關鍵字可以揾翻出嚟啦。咁啊，點解個郭 send 佢嘅小朋友去國際學校咧？因為咧學校係用乜同乜嘢去教，咁應該係講一啲咩 language 啦，咁所以後面就可以望到係 English and Chinese 嘅，咁所以照抄翻呢兩個就 OK 噶啦。咁跟住就啦，乜嘢 is more relaxing 咧？你會留意到呢度有個 more 字嘅，咁即係代表有啲比較字眼啦。咁我哋喺文章入邊就可以揾翻啲 ER 嘅字啦。呢度啦 ，looser 嘅 classroom environment。咁所以咧 ，looser 就對應翻 more relaxing 啦。咁所以呢度咧就抄翻 classroom environment 就 OK 啦。classroom environment。OK。咁跟住之後啦，阿郭嘅 parenting style 係點嘅咧 ？OK，exemplary 咧即係代表咧係特例啊。咁但係其實文章入邊都講到啦，其實成個中國都唔係真係話好多虎媽啦，好多小朋友都好似阿郭咁樣咧，即係好多嘅媽咪都係好似阿郭咁樣咧，其實都係好寬容嘅。跟住就係 traditional 傳統啦，都唔係啦。efficient 咧即係會有效率啦，但係咧成篇文章都唔係講緊佢哋咁樣教仔有冇效率啦，而應該係 permissive 嘅。permissive 咧係講緊容許多少少啲小朋友做啲乜嘢咁樣啦，咁而唔係強迫佢哋做嘢咁樣嘅。OK， 咁跟住之後啦，就去到 main idea paragraph 4啦。咁啊，通常咧去到 main idea 嘅題目嘅時候咧，我哋都會咧去專登去睇一睇，就係一啲 topic sentence 啊咁樣嘅，或者 short conclusion 啦。咁喺第4段入邊咧，咁你可以望下就係呢度啦。咁咧，你會望到咧呢一度咧係有一個逗號啦 ，including 乜嘢啦。咁即係呢度咧係一堆例子啦。咁我哋咧去理解 main idea 嘅時候咧，可以先忽略咗啲例子先嘅。咁就係一路去到 electronic games 呢度咧都係例子啦。咁所以咧我哋就可以抄到最主要嗰句 Trust strict parenting guidelines are familiar to many mainland Chinese families 啦。OK，咁咧我哋答案入邊咧，其實咧就可以改少少啦。我哋咧可以就係將嗰個嘅 subject 咧去改翻做呢個 Chinese families 嘅。OK，subject 開頭，因為咧其實咧阿 Chua 嘅一啲嘢咧，其實只係一個 specific 嘅 example 啦。OK，咁所以咧我哋點樣改咧？咁我哋就先抄翻嗱中國嘅人啦，咁所以你可以寫翻 the Chinese 啦。OK，好啦，咁跟住之後呢度咧，你會留意到我用 familiar with 嘅，咁但係咧文章入邊咧就係用 familiar to 嘅。OK，咁有啲咩分別咧？咁首先咧，如果係一個物件對於一個人嘅話咧，咁就會用 to 啦。咁啊，例如係the stress of studying is familiar to many Hong Kong students。咁呢度就係講緊咧讀書嘅壓力咧，對於好多香港嘅學生嚟講咧係好熟悉嘅。咁所以個重點係在於嗰個嘅物件就係個 stress 啦。咁但係如果調翻轉啦 ，OK， 咁例如係many Hong Kong students are familiar with the immense pressure of studying。咁呢一個咧就會係個人做重點啦。咁所以咧就會係用 familiar with 啦。所以如果重點係物件去人嘅話，就係用 to 啦；人去物件就係用 with 啦。咁所以今次咧係個人去物件嘅話咧，咁就會係用 familiar with 啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住之後去到第四段嘅最後尾嗰行啦，咁你會望到咧 ，I'm not as good as others at this or that。咁第55條就問你 this or that 係乜嘢啦。OK， 咁咧因為咧我哋係good as others 啊嘛，即係一定要係喺啲咩方面優勝啦。咁所以有啲咩答案係唔得嘅咧 ？Endless rules 呢啲唔使填啦，因為咧規矩咧係冇講啲咩優唔優勝噶嘛。咁所以你應該可以揾到 piano practice 啦，用翻另外一啲顏色嘅熒光筆啦。piano practice 同埋咧 homework 嘅。OK， 咁應該抄到呢兩個嘅。跟住之後啦，第五段入邊咧就揾三隻字代表 students。咁咧就唔可以用 students 同埋 school kids 啦。OK， 咁咧應該好快可以揾到咧。首先第一件事揾到 school kids 先。雖然呢個唔係答案，但係咧我哋可以咧用一啲比較關係去揾到一啲同義詞嘅。OK， 咁咧所以第一個應該揾到 contenders 啦，第二個係揾到 performers 啦，第三個 participants 啦。OK， 咁所以應該呢三個都頗明顯㗎啦。跟住之後咧就會去到第57條啦。57條31% 人答得啱嘅。Which Confucian belief is the reason behind the success of students in Asia？ 咁 the reason behind 咧就係講緊乜嘢？呢個咧個 success of students 咧係嗰個嘅果嘛，所以記得分清楚嗰啲因同果啦。即係我哋要揾翻呢個因出嚟啦。OK， 咁我哋咧睇翻第五段先。咁咧，我哋就可以揾翻啲因果嘅字詞先啦。咁你會揾到咧第28行咧有個 because 呢個字嘅。咁 because 咧後面咧係咪就係正正我哋要嗰個因啊？咁我哋就抄翻 it is a top priority。咁但係 it 咧係乜嘢咧？咁 it 咧其實就係 education 啦。咁所以你抄翻 education is a top priority 就攞到呢一分㗎啦。咁所以呢一分咧就係主要咧想你 identify 翻咧文章嘅一啲句式啦。OK。咁你就第五段嘅 main idea 啦，記住咧，我哋亦都唔要 specific 嘅 examples 嘅 ，OK。咁第五段嘅重點咧就係 Confucian beliefs 啦，即係孔子學説啦。咁呢一段主要就係講翻咧嗰啲嘅study 嘅一啲 results 啊咁樣嘅。咁所以咧，我哋咧就一啲關於一啲 specific 太 specific 嗰啲就唔要 A、B、C 都唔要啦。咁所以一定係成篇最主要就係講 Confucian beliefs 啦。OK。咁跟住之後啦，第59條啦 ，we refer to 啲乜嘢咧？咁喺呢一度啦。OK。咁呢一條咧都有少少難嘅。咁因為咧講嗰個人咧係呢個 Nicholas Kristof 啦。我哋揾翻啲clue 先。OK，Nicholas Kristof from 邊度㗎 ？The New York Times。咁你可能諗啦，一個人講嘢佢咪代表自己嘅咩？咁點解 Nicholas Kristof 明明可能係一個 he 嘅 pronoun 咁樣啦？咁但係點解要講 we 咧？咁就因為佢講緊另外一堆人啦。咁你可以諗啦， Nicholas Kristof 係嚟自呢個 New York Times 呢個出版社啦。咁所以佢代表嘅人嘅族群咧應該係美國人啦。所以可以寫到 Westerners 或者 Americans，OK 西方人或者美國人啦。跟住之後下一個啦 ，Paragraph 6 find two expressions used to describe students who do really well at school. Expressions used to describe students 係咪即係要揾到兩組嘅 adjective 啊？咁細包唔包 students 呢個字啊？係唔包嘅 ，OK。咁但係其實咧 marking scheme 其實都俾你嘅，即係如果你寫咗 kids 啊嗰啲嘅話，佢哋都俾嘅，OK。咁但係第一個咧，咁就係 excel academically 啦，你應該可以揾到 ，OK。嗱，首先第一件事你應該揾到 kids 咧喺文章入邊係相對 students 啦，所以佢揾到 excel academically 啦。另外一個啦就係 kids 喺呢度啦，所以第二個你就可以寫 scholastically superior 啦。咁就有呢兩個60條咧，就會有2分啦。OK， 跟住之後啦，第6段個 writers 嘅 main point 係乜嘢咧？呢度啦，又係啦 main point 啦。咁第6段咧，咁佢主要就係講就係嗱，雖然呢啲小朋友成績好好啦，但係係咪代表佢嗰個嘅經濟係 more dynamic 咧？係 more creative 咧？啲人係咪一個 superior 嘅 society 咧 ？The answer is no。OK。咁咧，因為咧入邊呢啲 China 嘅人都有啲 concern 㗎 ，OK，咁就係後面就講翻啲中國學生啲成績好好嘅學生，會唔會有啲存在一啲高分低能嘅一啲情況喺度咧？咁樣嘅 ，OK，咁所以啦，呢個答案咧最適合應該係邊一個咧？咁就應該係講緊 C 呢個答案啦 ，OK，High achieving students do not necessarily make China a superior country 啦。咁前面講啲咩 Chinese moms 啊啲咧都唔關事嘅。OK， 跟住之後啦，就會去到咧第62條啦。Name one problem college graduates on the mainland are facing。咁你要講 problem 咧，就代表要填翻個 noun 落去啦。OK，咁你睇翻第7段先，咁有2個線索可以同你講嘅。第一個就係啲 graduates 咧 cannot find appropriate jobs。第二個就係 too few practical skills。咁但係今次要將佢轉做 noun 啊嘛。咁啦，一隻字講晒啦 ，cannot find appropriate jobs 揾唔到工，即係用咩字啊？ unemployment 啦 ，OK，too few practical skills，too few 唔係一個 noun 啊嘛，所以轉翻 lack of practical skills 所以咧呢度2個答案咧都 OK 嘅，咁所以咧緊要嘅就係點樣將呢啲字咧去轉翻個 noun form 啦。第7段邊一隻字咧係 shortage 嘅 opposite meaning， 就應該揾到呢個 glut 嘅字啦 ，OK，glut，即係講緊有好多嘅畢業生咧都揾唔到工作啊嘛，就同 shortage 咁樣去調翻轉啦 ，shortage 係個短缺啊嘛 ，OK， 跟住之後咧就去到第43行啦 ，flummox 呢個字咧係咩意思啦 ？OK， 咁我哋睇一睇俾啲乜嘢 flummox 先 ，flummox by the knobs and levers on the washing machine， 咁咧即係代表佢俾啲洗衣機上面嗰啲掣搞到佢好點樣咧？應該係好 confuse 啊 ，OK， 因為佢唔識撳嗰啲咩掣啊嘛。而其他答案咧都唔係最適合嘅答案嚟嘅。咁跟住之後咧就會咧去到第65條啦，按翻呢個時序去排翻成件事啦。OK， 咁首先咧第一個咧就應該會係望一望個背景先啦。個 Chinese student who lived with an English host family in Britain。咁即係首先第一件事要有呢件事發生，都要有個學生咧係住喺英國嘅寄宿家庭先嘅。咁所以咧，第一個就係 mainland student stays with an English family 啦。咁跟住之後啦，就會去到佢呢度啦。咁咧，佢發現嗰啲嘅洗衣機嗰啲掣咧，好令人困惑。咁佢都要先上洗衫先嘅，係啦。咁所以咧，第二個就係 the student wants to do his washing 啦。跟住之後啦，就搞唔掂啦，就揾媽媽啦，係咪？咁就係 mom gets a phone call from son 啦。咁跟住之後個阿媽咧，跟住之後就做啲乜嘢咧？咁就打俾咧中國嘅銷售嘅代表啦。咁所以咧就係 calls the washing machine company 啦。跟住之後啦，嗰個公司咧就 contacted the first people in UK， 咁就係 call 翻英國總部嘅人啦。咁所以咧就應該係315246啦。OK，the antidote 即係代表咧解藥啦。 或者係解故事啦。OK， 咁就 of Chinese student has been included to illustrate which point in paragraph 7。咁咧呢個中國學生咧好明顯咧就係啲高分低能嘅情況啦。咁所以咧呢一度咧我哋就可以用翻，如果你上面嗰條咧有達到 lack of practical skills 咧，第66條咧係照抄翻就得㗎啦。OK，lack of practical skills。Which point 當然你可以用翻完整句子咧，就可以講翻 Chinese students lack practical skills 啦。但係記住咧 ，lack of 咧後面咧就係跟一個 noun 啦。咁但係咧，如果係 lack 嘅話咧，就直接去唔使跟個 of 嘅。OK， 咁你但係咧前面一定要加翻個人啦，又係寫 Chinese students lack practical skills 啊。OK。咁跟住之後咧，又去到填窿窿啦。咁但係今次同 Part A 咧唔同嘅地方咧，就係在於words that can be found in 7 至 8，即係平時做嘅 taken from 啦。OK， 好咁啊 ，the new underclass 即係底層啦。OK， 咁啊係邊一個咧？就係 China's 乜嘢咧？咁就係 college graduates 啦。咁你應該可以揾到呢一度 college graduates。用綠色熒光筆間啦，咁就唔使再抄翻落去啦。College graduates 啦，第二個啦 ，as educated professionals，they expect 乜嘢 jobs on completion of their studies？ 咁揾翻 expect 呢個嘅 synonym 先，或者唔同嘅 form 啦。咁你會望到咧 expectation 呢個字嘅 expectation。咁所以咧，即係代表佢係抄翻 high paying 呢個字啦。咁即係咧。佢哋就 expect 佢哋自己讀完書之後咧，就會有份高薪厚職啦。OK，but employers complain that many lack even the basic 乜嘢啊？咁就係 skills 啦。OK，skills 啦。跟住之後 ，the excess of white collar workers has led to a 乜嘢 of blue collar workers 咧？即係咧白領太多，令到藍領嘅人咧乜嘢咧？咁你應該可以抄翻 shortage 呢個字啦。係咪 shortage？ 跟住之後啦 ，this in turn has encouraged 乜嘢嘅 students 咧？咁啦，抄咁多咧，咁就係時候落翻去咧第8段啦。咩 students 咧？咁你會見到後面咧有好多嘅窿窿嘅。OK，to skip 到乜嘢 and apply directly 啦，即係有一班人咧就唔考乜嘢試，直接報啲乜嘢咧？咁喺第8段應該可以分別揾到 high school students 啦。跟住就揾到呢一大串字 Nationwide College Entrance Examination 啦，跟住之後 Blue Collar Vocational Schools， 但係你發覺啦 ，High School Students 可以啦，係咪 ？High School Students 填一格兩格，但係啦 Nationwide College Entrance Examination 係4個字喎。咁其實咧，我哋嘅 adjective 咧，你會望到 Nationwide College Entrance 咧3隻字咧都係 adjective 啦。咁但係咧，我哋最重要嗰個 adjective 咧係會最黐住個 noun 嘅。咁即係話最出面嗰隻字咧，我哋要省略嘅時候可以省略咗先。咁所以就唔使寫 nationwide 啦，就咁寫 college entrance examination 啦。下面嗰個道理亦都一樣，就咁抄 vocational schools 啦。OK。跟住之後啦 ，ossify 呢個字係咩意思啦？咁我哋一齊望一望後面啦。Ossified higher education system resistant to changes。咁即係話咧，呢個 ossify 咧係唔會改變嘅。咁有乜嘢係唔會改變啊？咁就係 inflexible 啦，即係唔靈活啦。OK， 唔靈活啦。跟住之後就69條啦。According to the passage, why might the Tiger Mom approach to parenting be more successful in the US than in China？ 咁咧，你應該咧會喺第9段咧嗰度咧可以揾到答案嘅。咁首先咧，你可以揾翻就係佢今次我哋想答 US 點解會更加成功啊嘛。咁第9段有啲咩字係 US 嘅意思啊 ？American classrooms 啦 ，American classrooms 啦 ，OK。咁所以你照抄翻 American classrooms are more conducive to individual expression and innovation。咁呢度解釋翻咩意思先？咁即係點解虎媽係更加適合美國嘅學生咧？咁就係因為咧，雖然虎媽會逼啲學生做嘢啦，咁但係美國嘅學生咧其實係會 更加有呢個個人嘅想法同埋一啲嘅創意啦。咁所以咧就唔會令到佢哋即係出到嚟變咗高分低能咁樣嘅啫。咁所以咧你就可以抄翻呢個答案，或者咧你就可以寫outside the home。They are encouraged to think independently。咁呢個 they 咧，你就將佢變翻 American students 就 OK 啦。OK， 咁所以將呢兩個是第一個抄落去咧，咁就可以噶啦。跟住之後第70條，30% 人答得啱啦。Why is there no Bill Gates of China 啦？咁咧呢一度啦，咁咧 Bill Gates 係啲創業家啦，咁所以咧其實你要揾答案都係前文後理嘅啫。咁你應該可以揾到第9段咧呢度啦。Creativity is stifled。咁咧 stifle 咧即係代表咧係制止嘅意思啦。咁即係代表咧喺中國嘅教育系統入邊咧係制止咗呢個創意。咁所以冇創意就唔能夠有啲橋咧俾佢創業啦。咁所以你就可以寫翻 In China creativity is stifled， 咁就攞到呢1分噶啦。OK， 咁跟住之後啦，就去到第71條啦。Why do many Chinese-born scientists go to work in the West？ 咁你應該可以揾翻第58行咧，就會有 Chinese-born scientists back from the West 啦。OK， 好啦，咁第10段其實就係講緊咧一啲嘅科學嘅組織咧，咁就由啲西方嘅公司同管治啦，咁就想咧叫翻班中國嘅科學家咧去翻去中國啦。OK，where 咧嗱你望到呢度啦 ，from the West。OK，where they have relocated， 即係代表咧佢哋咧係由中國嗰邊咧係過嚟嘅。OK， 咁點解要過嚟西方呢邊咧 ？In order to enjoy the more rewarding research environment abroad。OK， 咁但係今次題目咧係講緊 Chinese-born scientists 啊嘛，咁所以咧你就可以寫翻你可以寫翻咧就係to enjoy 乜乜乜啦。OK，to enjoy the more rewarding research environment abroad 啦。OK， 咁呢就第72條啦，咁就要自己諗嘅，所以得26% 人答得啱啦。Why is the word tiger used to describe mothers？OK， 咁啊點解咧要講虎媽咧？咁其實你都可以估到嘅，咁就攞翻前面 A.B. Chua 個例子啦。咁咧老虎咧俾大家印象應該都係兇惡啦，咁所以兇惡咧引翻落個人度嘅時候就可以講翻個人好嚴格啦，或者係好得人驚啦。咁所以你可以寫所以第一件事一定要寫翻 mothers are 乜嘢啦？你可以講兇猛啦 ，fierce 啦 ，OK， 兇猛或者 frightening 啦，嚇人啦 ，cruel 就係殘忍啦 ，brutal 咧就係都係好殘忍嘅意思啦 ，OK。咁跟住之後咧，最後邊一條啦，咁就係 Do you agree that the key to success is a hybrid of East and West？OK， 咁即係你覺得啦，成功係咪需要將中西方嘅教育方法咧去合埋一齊咧？咁如果你答 yes 嘅話咧，咁你就要答翻中方嗰邊有咩好處，西方嗰邊咧有啲咩好處。咁但係如果你答唔係嘅話咧，咁你就講翻事實成篇文章咧以而家嘅政治情況嚟講，政治不太正確啦。咁但係當時嚟講咧，咁就係當然啦，入邊有講到，如果咧你唔想中西混合咁樣去教小朋友嘅話咧，咁文章入邊似乎都冇專登去講話西方教育有啲咩唔好咁樣嘅。咁所以咧喺答題嘅時候就要講翻啦，喺中國嘅教育方法有啲咩唔好啦。咁所以啦，如果你想寫中西合璧嘅話咧，你就可以寫翻我哋咧係需要咧中方嘅家長俾嘅壓力啦，同埋咧西方去鼓勵大家嘅創意啦，或者係一啲創新啦。咁所以你可以寫就係 Students need both 呢個字好緊要啊，因為咧係中方同西方嘅教育方法合璧啊嘛，即係同時都需要呢啲嘢啦。Students need both pressure from parents 同埋咧 innovation 啦。又或者你可以講 no 啦，因為咧中國嘅教育有啲咩唔好處 ？Creativity is stifled， 即係咧冇創意啦。OK， 咁所以咧呢一年嘅 B2 啦，因為都係第一年考啦，咁所以咧你會望到 long quote 咧相對之多嘅。 咁所以咧，大家可能之前咧去計時做卷嘅時候咧，可能會唔夠時間啦。咁不過咧，呢份卷攞嚟做參考就 OK，因為之後啲卷不斷再優化，就會更加再貼近翻而家考試啦。咁所以咧，呢個嘅 B2 咧就係咁多啦。咁所以有啲咩唔明嘅話咧，就喺 comments 度咧再問翻我啦。咁咧，我哋就2013年嘅 reading 咧，咁就再見啦。